Hi guys, and we're back for another one. We're going to be doing the somewhat of a similar paint job to my Avalon, but instead of red, we are going to replace it with blue. Same concept, we're going to do the rail, low receiver in stock, and I'll show the other gun for an example. This is my Avalon. This is the first gun that I swirl painted, and as you can see here we have some red, some black, and some white. So just like I said before, we're going to do the same thing, except we are going to be using blue. I'm going to try to make these paint job videos a lot shorter, so cutting out the sanding and other tedious parts of the video so we can go straight into the painting, which is what you guys are most interested in. So now that that's out of the way, we are going to sand down our rail low receiver stock, and then we'll start painting. Alright, so we have the gun taken apart and everything sanded. All of this stuff is polymer. It's not metal like my Avalon, so it's not going to be nice and shiny, but it is sanded down. Now we're going to spray it down with this matte black, or this flat, well, matte and flat are pretty much the same thing. Paint and primer, Krylon. And then the sandpaper I used is 320 grit. The sandpaper I used on my Avalon was 220, and the one I used on polymer was a lot finer, because I noticed that when I use the 220 on polymer, I use it on some of my other attachments for my rifles, it scratched up pretty bad. Maybe because I was pressing too hard, but I just wanted to go for something a lot finer so it doesn't go too deep. So now we're going to spray everything down with this, and then we'll go on for swirls. We'll go to swirl painting. I've already added my borax, so we are going to go straight into the painting. Now I did have to double dip some of my parts. I guess I'll just have to use a bigger bucket to paint instead of this garbage can that I am using. Now just a quick side note, never ever swirl paint without gloves on. I had these super baggy gloves on and they just got in my way more than anything, so I just used my bare hands. The paint just did not want to come off afterwards. I was even debating on whether I should use a grinder at one point. Just save yourself some time and always wear gloves.
What does it look like, this mystical animal? It takes various forms. I watched him today. His eyes, he's like a beast. The jungle demon? He thinks he's a jungle animal.
Now there's one more dead. Same white eyes. I want to know the cause of death.
Who are the killers? Who are the troublemakers?
And now it's time to showcase this beautiful work of art.
If it wasn't making music, I'd be in the trenches. If I didn't have no fans, my band would be endless. If I wasn't making music, I'd be in the trenches. If I didn't have no fans, my band would be endless. I'd be fire in my air, won't never see my dead ones. I may never play it, would be on my way. If I wasn't making music,
Now, ever since I did my first swirl painting paint job, I always wanted to try using blue instead of red. And I am so glad I went through with that idea. It all just blends together so well. Now if you guys like what you see, I'll be posting even more paint jobs on my channel. It's not just going to be swirl painting, we'll try some new things and make even cooler stuff. I'll also have some more product reviews and Airsoft gameplays coming out very soon. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of that content.
working so long, I've been keeping away. Working, I wanna be highly regarded. I wanna be in the trenches, sweating my pain will be honest. I wanna be in the trenches, sweating my pain will be honest. I wanna be in the trenches, sweating my pain will be honest.